or outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Baldwin, and Mobile. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, Mississippi Sound, North Mobile Bay, Perdido Bay area, South Mobile Bay, waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 4:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:47 a.m. Central Daylight Time, strong The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Mobile County in southwestern Alabama, Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, western Escambia County in northwestern Florida until 4:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Axis to 4 miles northeast of downtown Mobile to 7 miles east of Theodore to 3 miles south of Alabama Port, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Daphne, Fairhope, Gulf Shores, Bay Minette, Foley, Orange Beach, Spanish Fort, Robertsdale, Creola, Point Clear, Dauphin Island, Loxley, Lillian, Magnolia Springs, Stapleton, Bon Secour, Axis, Summerdale, Silver Hill, and Perdido Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Baldwin and Mobile, and Escambia, Florida. The tornado warning for